Does your current job leave you feeling unsatisfied? Ever wondered about the world of side hustles? As we navigate through the dynamic economic landscape of 2024, the traditional 9-to-5 job is steadily evolving. More and more individuals are exploring side hustles, those extra jobs or gigs that supplement the primary income. But why now? Two words: technology and culture. Advancements in technology are constantly creating new job opportunities outside of the typical workday, and changes in work culture are making it more acceptable to pursue these opportunities. From freelancing in high-demand fields to e-commerce entrepreneurship, cryptocurrency investments, and more, the possibilities are as diverse as they are abundant. So, if you're yearning for something beyond your day job, if you're curious about supplementing your income or even replacing it, let's dive into the world of side hustles. This could be the beginning of a journey towards financial success that you never thought possible. Consider freelancing, especially in high-demand fields like digital marketing, content creation, and graphic design. In this era of rapid technological advancement, these spheres have become pivotal in shaping businesses' narratives and reaching their target audience. As such, there is a burgeoning need for skilled professionals who can deliver compelling content, design eye-catching graphics, or strategize effective digital marketing campaigns. Freelancing offers the allure of flexibility, the power to choose who you work with, what projects you undertake, and most importantly, where and when you work. It's a world where your office can be your favorite coffee shop or your cozy living room. The rise in remote working culture has led many companies to increasingly rely on freelancers for specialized projects. This shift has opened up a plethora of opportunities for those with the right skills. So, if you're proficient in digital marketing, content creation, or graphic design, you can command competitive rates and enjoy the flexibility of freelancing. Another lucrative side hustle lies in the realm of e-commerce entrepreneurship. As we navigate through 2024, the rise of e-commerce continues to unlock opportunities for individuals to establish their own online businesses. User-friendly platforms like Shopify and Amazon have revolutionized the marketplace, serving as launchpads for aspiring entrepreneurs. But what does e-commerce entrepreneurship entail? Let's break it down. Firstly, dropshipping. This is where you sell products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. The supplier takes care of it all. Secondly, print on demand. This model allows you to sell custom designs on various products, from t-shirts to mugs and everything in between. Lastly, affiliate marketing. Here, you promote other businesses' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Each of these models bear their unique advantages and can be lucrative when executed with a well-planned strategy. With the right strategy, e-commerce can generate substantial passive income. If you're tech-savvy, consider exploring the world of cryptocurrency investments and trading. As we continue to navigate through 2024, the cryptocurrency market is maturing and presenting intriguing opportunities for strategic investments and trading. For some, it's about investing in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have demonstrated their staying power and potential for growth. For others, the allure lies in newer, less established cryptocurrencies that may offer the chance for significant returns. Then, there's the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. This innovative sector within the cryptocurrency market enables peer-to-peer financial transactions, sidestepping traditional banking systems. DeFi projects can offer lucrative returns for those willing to delve into its complexities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a rookie, the potential for significant returns in the cryptocurrency market is undeniable. But remember, every investment comes with risks. So do your homework, stay informed, and invest wisely. Cryptocurrency offers a unique and exciting avenue for those willing to navigate the evolving financial landscape. Got expertise in a specific field? Why not monetize it through remote consulting or coaching services? It's the age of the internet, and the world is your oyster. If you have valuable insights and experience, you can offer personalized guidance and expertise to clients across the globe. You could be a seasoned business strategist, a career coach, or a personal development guru. There's a market for your knowledge. Virtual platforms have made it easier than ever to connect with those who need your skills. You can set your own hours, choose your clients, and work from anywhere in the world. You're not just trading time for money, you're creating value by sharing your expertise. And that's something people are willing to pay for. The beauty of remote consulting or coaching is that it's scalable. You're not limited by geography or a set number of hours in the day. Consulting or coaching can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge while earning a side income. The demand for online learning is soaring. Have you considered creating and selling online courses or digital products? As more people turn to the internet for education and skill enhancement, The market for digital learning materials is expanding rapidly. This presents an ideal opportunity for those with expertise in a specific field to share their knowledge and turn it into a profitable venture. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable are making it easier than ever for creators to bring their courses to life. You can create a course on virtually any subject, upload it onto these platforms, and earn a passive income as learners enroll in your courses. From coding to cooking, photography to philosophy, the possibilities are endless. What's more, these platforms handle the technical aspects for you. They provide the tools to host your courses, manage enrollments, and process payments, allowing you to focus on what you do best: teaching and sharing your knowledge. Sharing your knowledge through digital products can be a fulfilling and profitable side hustle. The gig economy offers flexible short-term opportunities for those looking to earn extra income. This bustling sphere is a hotbed of potential, connecting eager individuals with a myriad of opportunities that can be molded to fit their schedules and financial aspirations. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, deciding when and where you want to work. That's the allure of ride-sharing services. With platforms like Uber and Lyft, you're at the helm, navigating your financial journey one ride at a time. Meanwhile, food delivery platforms such as DoorDash and Uber Eats offer an appetizing blend of flexibility and income, transforming meal times into earning opportunities. Then there are freelance task websites like TaskRabbit and Fiverr, acting as a virtual marketplace where your skills, be they in graphic design or handyman services, can find their perfect match. Each of these platforms offers a unique path to financial growth. Whether you're after flexibility or just some extra cash, the gig economy has something for everyone. Interested in real estate but lack the capital? Real estate crowdfunding could be your answer. This innovative investment model is democratizing access to the property market. Previously an exclusive club for those with deep pockets. Now you don't have to be a millionaire to get a slice of this lucrative pie. Let's break it down. Real estate crowdfunding is a form of collective investment. It's where a group of individuals pool their resources to invest in properties, sharing both the costs and the potential profits. This model is facilitated by online platforms that connect investors with real estate developers or owners looking for capital. The beauty of this approach is that it's not an all-or-nothing game. You don't need to buy a whole building or a plot of land. Instead, you can invest in a fraction of a property, which means you can start with a much smaller initial investment. This makes real estate investing accessible to more people, not just the wealthy elite. But what's in it for you? Well, there are two main ways you can earn returns from real estate crowdfunding. The first is through property appreciation. If the property's value increases over time, you'll earn a share of the profits when it's sold. The second is through rental income. If the property is rented out, you'll get a slice of the rent paid by tenants. It's also a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. With real estate crowdfunding, you can spread your investments across different properties, locations, and types of real estate. This can help spread risk and increase your potential for returns. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Property values can go down as well as up, and rental income is not guaranteed. But with careful research and due diligence, real estate crowdfunding can offer a viable path to financial growth. So if you're looking to dip your toes into the real estate market, but don't have the capital to go it alone, consider real estate crowdfunding. It offers a way to tap into the lucrative property market without the need for substantial capital. There's a world of side hustles out there waiting for you. As we've explored throughout this video, the year 2024 opens a plethora of doors for those seeking to diversify their income streams. From freelancing in high-demand fields, launching an e-commerce venture, dipping your toes into cryptocurrency investments, to offering remote consulting services, the opportunities are vast and varied. Not to forget the potential of creating online courses and digital products, participating in the gig economy, or even investing in real estate projects through crowdfunding. Each of these options offers a unique way to leverage your skills, interests, and financial goals. Remember, the key to success in the world of side hustles lies in identifying your strengths and interests, and then finding a way to monetize them. So don't be afraid to explore, innovate, and step out of your comfort zone. Find your unique side hustle and unlock new avenues for financial growth.